Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to upgrade to Windows 11. So first, what you want to do is make sure you meet the system requirements. Most computers do, but I'll link that in the description below. Now, if you meet the system requirements, you want to check if you have this on your taskbar. If you don't have it, no worries. Just open the start menu and go to settings and scroll down till you find update and security. So now what you want to do is make sure you have this, and if you don't have that, don't worry, I'll show you how to install it later in the end of the video. So if you have this, click see if it's ready to install, and it will check for updates, and it will show up right here. Click download and install. Click download and install, and for this there are some new license terms since this is a new product. Make sure to read them and accept and install. So the update will install, and just like a regular update for Windows, what you always download it, update and restart, and for feature update and for large feature updates like this, you will your computer will restart several times. You can continue to use your computer while it's updating. Now what you should do is update and restart your computer. So you'll probably have this icon, or it will say restart and restart required, or you can go to the start menu, press power, and press whichever one you want. If you want to not use your computer, update and shutdown, and update and restart. So the update will now install. If someone else is using the computer, you might want to ask them. Might want to ask them to save their work, because this will sign them out and it will close all the applications. So now that we've done that, press restart anyway. Just press restart, and Windows will install more parts of the update. So currently it is restarting, and it will configure Windows Update, and then it will restart again, configure Windows Update, restart again, configure Windows Update, and yeah, it will restart multiple times. So, and it might take a while. If you would like to see this part of the process, then you can see that it says updates are underway, and you just have to wait for that to complete. I will also record the restart and everything if you want to see that. But for now, you can just skip to do everything. So right now you're basically set. If you can click off this video if you want, you're pretty much set, and you can just let your computer do its thing. Alright, see you later if you're gonna. But for my technical viewers, we can watch everything happen. So I will record the restart and everything. So currently we are running Windows 10 version 22H2, and we are running Windows 10 version 22H2, and we are not currently in Windows PE. When it restarts, it will be in Windows PE, but it will act like it's just a normal update, like as if it's on the lock screen, to make it look user friendly and everything. So currently, I'm pretty sure what happens right now is it's create. So first, when it said downloading Windows, it was downloading the image and everything, creating the image, and then after that it was making a partition and everything, and then installing Windows PE on that, and then it would restart, boot into that, and then install Windows 11. I'm pretty sure it's going to, what it's going to do is build up from Windows PE to Windows 11. So I'll see you once it restarts. Okay, Windows is restarting. As you can see, we have the new loading circle, and it had the command prompt there. And as you can see, we have the Windows 11 thing. Now, if I were to suggest something to Microsoft, they should really add this from Windows PE to Windows 11. The current loading icon in Windows 11, it looks way too much like Windows 8, and we need a new one just like this. So that's just a suggestion to Microsoft, and yeah. So as you can see, this is currently Windows PE. This is Windows 11, but it's Windows PE. It's very stripped down to its core, but it's pretending to be in the lock screen. So we'll just wait for this to install, for Windows 11 to install and everything. So yeah, it's very user friendly. I really like it. It's very interesting and intriguing. Now they have all this, and it's like running Windows PE and everything. It's like building up like the opposite of stripping down Windows. Instead of being Windows PE, it's stripping up Windows. So it's adding the Windows Explorer, the essential applications, sort of extracting Windows and building it up so that's completely Windows, and it's a usable operating system. And your computer will restart a few times, so just be patient. And I think the reason why the screen is small is because Normally it would be on a desktop, and they want it to look larger, so I don't think it would be normally on a desktop. What I think they should do is have it so that it's like sort of like, because it doesn't have any like Windows 11 drivers right now, it's just assuming that's your screen size. So what I think they should do is make it 800 by 600 and stretch that out. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for this to install. So I'm gonna wait for it to update. It's pretending to update, but it's actually it's actually upgrading, which is basically automatically reinstalling Windows and keeping all your settings, files, and programs. So I'll see you, and I'll see you when I have to restart it again. Why is this not focusing? Why does this camera not focus? Ah, there we go. Okay, working on updates 1%. Okay. So I'll see you once. Oh, it's actually going up. Just don't want my phone to run out of storage. Windows 11 is fully installed now, and you can continue to use your computer. So what I'd recommend is, let me just log in. There are some new features, as you can see. There's this and that. If you're stuck in this weird looking theme, what you can do is change the settings. Go to settings with the new settings app. There's my email address in it. So go to Windows Update and press check for updates, because there might be some new updates available for Windows 11. As you can see, there are a lot of updates, but this is on. But if you want to go back to Windows, if you want to go back to Windows 10, so just basically go to what's it called? Oh yeah, Windows Rollback. So what this does is it has a copy. It has all the files that you had in Windows. It has all the stuff from Windows 10. It still has it for 10 days. And if you make any changes, like especially change your password or PIN or fingerprint or anything, the changes you made in settings, the changes you made in applications, it won't apply in it will not apply in Windows 10. Right now Windows 10 is paused. If you make any changes to your computer, it won't make any changes to when you downgrade. So to go back, just press go back to Windows 10, and it says, why are you going back? My apps or devices don't work. You don't have to do this, but I'm just gonna say for a tutorial. Now Microsoft will obviously try and trick you into staying on their latest version, but what this will do is just check for updates in Windows 11 so that it might fix your problem. So just press no thanks, and this is what I told you. You should do that and everything, and press next. And this is very important. So if you change your password and do not remember it, good luck. Okay, anyways, press next, and thanks for trying Windows 11. If you end up missing improve and whatever, go back to Windows 10, and it will restart, and Windows 10 will reinstall. Bye. So, well, not bye. So Windows 10 will reinstall, but just remember that you made a decision to basically lose every single change that you made, unless it's backed up to OneDrive or manually backed up to Google Drive or a folder. I'm pretty sure you can download Google Drive, but still. Anyways, I'll see you later. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.